Hello guys, in this video I'll be explaining the process to install the the React native Google sign-in dependency. It was pretty hard to install that dependency. I don't know. I had a lot of trouble when installing this, so I just wanted to record this video to help anyone else and when to install this dependency, right? So the first step is to add the dependency, to install the dependency and add it to our package JSON. I'm using the 0.12.0 version, this React Native and this React version. So yeah, I just created a new project and using the React Native init command. I just created a new starter kit from scratch to just understand how to install this, because I was getting a lot of errors. I was having a lot of trouble with when installing this. So yes, that's the first step, right? So the second step is to let's go to the documentation. I also opened an issue in GitHub because this was very hard to start, right? So yeah, I get it working, but there are some stuff that you have to keep in mind in order to succeed. So yeah, so the first step, as they mentioned, is to solve these SDK requirements. So let's open the Android Studio and let's open the SDK manager and let's take a look at the dependencies that I'm using right now. I'm using let's click here, show package details, and as you can see we have I'm not using this one either, neither this one. What other? Yeah, I'm using the 6.0, and I just installed these two dependencies. So keep in mind that, and also be sure to have this one and this one. Also the 22, because they mentioned the 22 version. So we need to be sure to have these dependencies. Yeah, that's the first. Yeah, the second step. Yeah, that's the second step. So also you have to be sure to install some SDK build tools. So if you click here, you will see the SDK build tools that you need. So I just installed all of this, the 23, 24, 27, 28. I just installed all of them. So try them out, and hopefully it will work for you as well. So let's click OK. I think I have opened an emulator here somewhere else. Yeah, here. So yeah, that's the second step, to be sure to install the SDK requirements that they mentioned. And what else? Also click this link, and you have to follow these steps, right? So you have to create a project within Firebase. I have to go to project settings, and after that you have to register your HA1 key. You have to register the signature within your project. So yeah, there is a command here to do that. Also there is some steps within the React Native documentation to accomplish that, so you will be able to do that step without any problem. So what else? Also remember to copy the Google services. Yeah, you will get that Google services within your Firebase project as well. Here, as you can see here, you go to project settings. Yeah, you have to look for the Android application, because you can create an application for Android, an application for iOS. So you just go to the Android application. I can't show that because this is private. So I can't go there and show you that. So yeah, go download the Google service from the Firebase project, pasted it here within this path. As you can see, I have the same file here under Android app, Google services. Yeah, I have the project there. So what else we need to do here? Yeah, remember to run this command, because when you run this command, it will add some. It will add almost the whole configuration that you need. Yeah, when you run that, you will have the configuration for this file. So you have to just change one little thing and no more. You will have this. Also, you will have this. I think you have to add this line. I don't remember very well, but it's better to check the files, all the files, in order to be sure that you have the requirements right. So yeah, I think I added this line. I don't remember very well, but yeah, when you I think I added the line, because when you create the starter kit from scratch, you will not have that line of code. So yeah, I added the line. And what else? Also yeah, this is very important. You have to keep in mind this, because if you go to the issue that I was having when trying to build the application, yeah, there's a man who find a small fix, and he just said that we need to put the Maven repository, and we need to move this at the end. So if you take a look at this file, and doing exactly that thing, so keep that in mind. You have to be aware of the order of these dependence of these repositories, because otherwise you will get an error. I think by default you will get something like this. This is what will you get by default when you create the starter kit. Maybe in your current application you have something like this. So keep that in mind, because it's important. Otherwise it will not work, and that was my error. And yeah, I just commented some stuff here, also some configurations that I'm using. Yeah, so let's go to the installation steps, to the documentation. So by default, the React Native link will add some configurations, but it's better that you go and check them out, because this will just add something like this. This will add just this line of code like this. And yeah, you have to the documentations mention that you need to change the line, and you need to exclude this group, and you need also to specify the play service that you're going to use, right? So yeah, that's the other step. What else? So also you have to keep in mind, because I was having trouble with this as well. Yeah, I was adding this line of code at the end of the file, as they mentioned here. As you can see, they mentioned that we need to add this. This should be the last line. They just recommend you to add this line at the end. So I just added it, that line here. But when I did that, I got an error. I don't know why. I'm not sure. I will show you that in a moment. So let's sorry. So let's try to run the application again, and I will show you that. So this configuration within the main application Java will be added for you as well. It will be automatically added for you as well, so you don't have to be worried about that. Also, this one will be added for you. So let's try this. Yeah, as you can see, we have the 2.14.1, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. So remember to just register your signature here, and download the Google services, blah blah blah. Follow these steps and try to build the application without this line, because I don't know, I'm getting an error whenever I add that line of code, I get a bill. Yeah, the bill says failed. I don't know why. So just remove that line. You just need to add this line, this configuration, and this one. And yeah, after that you will be able to compile the SDK package. What else? App. Yeah, I was just trying some stuff here. Yeah, and right now you're able to just import the React Google Sign-In. You will have the Google Sign-In package here. You have the button as well. We will show that. Yeah, I will show that in a moment. I'm just building building the package. Okay, yeah. As you can see, we have the. Also, I was trying this. If this line is to check if you have the Play services available within your emulator. If you open the log Android, you will see the yeah man console log. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Now you can start hacking with Google Sign-In button, and hopefully this will work for you as well. So thank you for watching this. See ya.